YouTube family, so as you can see, it is dark out. Just heading home, but I had to come on here and just say thank you. I had to say thank you for 3,000 subscribers. You hear me say? 1, 2, 3. Thank you for 3,000 subscribers. Good? For me, it's not about the numbers. For me, it's about the engagement. I love the conversations that we're having in the comment section. Right? I love that. When I say I love that, I love that. And I hope it continues that way. Right? Let us all be respectful. Let us all allow each other to share opinions in a respectful manner. That is all I want from this platform. I understand that the internet streets are some dangerous streets, right? I know that. I'm not naive to that. But for the most part, I really just want us to be respectful. And I want to thank you for being here. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for subscribing. Yeah, I don't have the words. But right now I'm going to take a few seconds and just show you what I had for lunch today to celebrate. Look at that. Just look. Yeah, I know some people have said that not look impressive. But listen, you see when you live a foreign, a box food is gold. Alright? But anyways, enough of that. Thank you. My job is easy, you know. My job is just to continue to put out the content, and I know you guys will stay. I know that. And we're going to continue to grow together. Alright? So remember, bless upon yourself. Continue to like, continue to comment, continue to share. Yeah? If it help you, share with somebody else, man. You can't keep it for yourself. You can't be selfish. Don't do that. So just continue to share. And yeah, let us continue to grow together. Alright? Blessings.